I want to show you how to use a Venn diagram to solve a maths problem. And this is how the question goes. In a class, 16 boys said they liked to play football. And then 10 boys said they liked to play hockey. If 4 of those boys said they liked to play both sports, and 3 others in the class said they didn't like playing either sports, how many boys were in the class all together? Okay, so let's say football is F and hockey is H. Okay, 16 boys liked football, so F is equal to 16. 10 boys liked hockey, so H is equal to 10. And then 4 boys like both sports, and 3 boys liked neither of both sports. Okay, so let's draw a Venn diagram. One circle for football, another circle for hockey. Okay. 4 boys like both football and hockey, so they're going to be in the intersection here. And then if we already have 4 boys for football, how many boys will be here? It will be 16 minus 4. That will be 12. And then if we already have 4 boys who like hockey, how many boys will be here? 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. And then 3 boys like neither of both sports, so they will be outside the circles. So let's see what the total number of boys in the class is. So we have 12 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3, and that gives us 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So 25 boys are in the classroom.